We're looking at SPY, Wednesday, November 6th, the biggest post-election rally in history. And the rigged AI system absolutely crushed it. The one thing to point out here, right down here, let me call it the marquee. This gives you strategy for the session. It is following the system. It is the system. Unclear price action. You go down, you go up. Very unclear. 3 strikes likely. Swings BL plus or minus 3. All right, so here at the open, we absolutely nuke. And if you were here, you made money. If you were late, you got crushed. But this is what we want to look at, right? 586 is 3 strikes down. That is BL minus 3. I mean, if you're taking that trade, you're getting right back to the blue line before coming back down. That is a swing at BL minus 3, and you made money. Here, it kind of comes close, but it doesn't break below all the way down to this 3rd strike. Typically, that means it's going to go up, but we don't have any alerts in here. You didn't have to trade it. But this is where you start paying attention, right? Because what? We are getting the flow. 50.75% win rate. That's a 51. And then you're getting KTR filling for this because, it's just a little bit late. All of these alerts return over 100%. Oh, not that one. Buying and holding until the end of the session. And it's one of those things where you're like, okay, price is going up. We are right back to the blue line. And this is why option flow is necessary, because you get 1, 2, 3 new alerts at that time. They're all bullish. I mean, that's 388,000, 398K. I mean, it's $1 million plus bullish flow, betting that it will go up, and there's no bearish flow, right? And then what happens from there? We keep going. Here it's kind of mixed, right? It's mixed and eventually, goes up to 3 before coming back down. In here, this is really tough to trade because it could keep going, it could come back down. Today was insane because we gapped up so much higher. You can trade this, and kind of talked about that a little bit yesterday on IWM. But the thing is, you are at risk, right? Because you were BL minus 2.70. Up to here, you're plus 1. So, you've moved up considerably. And again, the flow is mixed. Bulls and bears coming in. Whereas right here, 1, 2, 3, only bulls, 50% win rate. And you're getting that, stress-free. That is stress-free. Maybe you sell right here because you get a little bit scared, but that is absolutely beautiful. So to recap everything, we're telling you 3 strikes likely, swings BL plus or minus 3. You get a minus 3 swing here. Awesome trade. Probably exit right about here because you're like, oh, it's not pushing past the blue. You get the flow in the middle, 50% win rates. They absolutely crush it. And then here, that's very mixed. It could go up, it could go down, it could mean revert. You are late. So if you take a bear here, you're like, hey, this is only plus 1.34. You'd rather get it closer to 3, right? And then if you're taking a bull here, you've already moved up significantly. So the 2 areas you want to trade today, here, and then this nuke at the open. You know, the thing about the open, I keep saying it, it is extremely volatile, which means you are going to get a move in one direction and it will typically swing the other way. They're going to kill people who are late. And here, they followed the 3-strike rule down to 3, and then you're getting KTRs right here. It's like we're telling you, hey, 3 strikes is where you want to do a swing. You're getting KTR exactly there, and then you're winning the trade. That's beautiful. That's incredible. Click like, give me a heart. Need some love on the channel. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment.